2 years and a couple of months, and as you can see, the paint is still look good. It still looks shiny, and everything. Scooter is still looking very excellent shape. I mean, it's even better when I first got it. So as you can see, the paint still look good. So my recommendation is, you know, as a scooter, it's almost like the paint. It's almost like it's like your car paint, you know. So you might wanna keep it nice and clean, and you know, put a little work into it. And what I did is every 6 months, I waxed it. You know, you clean the scooter first. So make sure you clean and get all the dust done out. And what you did is, I bought this Turtle Wax Super Hard Shell. So everybody recommends this one, and I recommend it because I use it all the time. It's not just for the scooter, for the car too, you know. What you want to do is, it's come with the waxing pad on the top, or the sponge. So what you want to do is, after you clean out your scooter, you know, or you know, just make sure it's, all the dust and stuff like is gone, and then you apply one of the wax on it, you know. So it's pretty easy, you know. You basically, it just so you apply the wax on the paint, right? And then what you do is you apply just in a circular motion. Just go ahead and apply all over the scooter where the paint is, you know. Right here, using the sponge. So you do in a circular motion like this. So you apply all of them around all the paint, and after you did it, just wait about 5 minutes or maybe longer. You can test it by rubbing your finger a little bit. If you rub your finger, you see the wax kind of dry up a little bit, and it's falling off. That means it's time to remove the wax residue. So all you need to do is, if you have a paper towel, or you can do this towel right here, this blue towel, trying to remove all the wax when it's dry out. So remove it, so you're gonna get this nice finish, shine, like what I got right now. So you feel with your finger, it's really smooth. So you know, if you plan to keep your scooter or your motorcycle for a long time, especially scooter, they have a lot of panel with paint. And then and what you do is, just wax them every 6 months. And after that, you know, if you get it dirty again, just go ahead and clean it with water and just wipe it out. It should be leave you this shiny, smooth shine for your paint, and help protect the paint too. So that's why I did. So that's why you have, as you can see, you know, it's been 2 years and a couple months, and the scooter is still good and it's still shiny, you know. And you know, like I said, you know, on all your machines, you know, if you take care of them, they take care of you. So that's the reason you want to protect your paint too, especially on the Chinese scooter. You want to keep it nice and neat, so everything looks good. And I hope you oh yeah, and so also on the plastic part, go ahead and use the what I use is the, let me see, right here, Meguiar High Gloss Protection Superior Shine. I use this. So you spray that shine on, you spray that Meguiar in, and to a towel, one of those blue towel I did, or you just, and then you just wipe it on the plastic part. And it should keep, first is protecting the plastic part, and also is give you this shine. like you seeing right now. So you can do that through all your plastic parts, and you know scooter have a lot of plastic parts. So I did all of them. You can even do on the handlebar. You know, look at the handlebar, looks so shiny, right? Yeah, I did it on handlebar too. So whatever you see is plastic, you can do it. You know, just do it. Maybe like I said, you know, once every 6 months, and that's the way to keep your scooter look nice and clean and new every time. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.